Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Particularly this topic is related to the Nirbhaya. To make more safer the women community, especially the children, daughters. Here all the prosecutors are here, experts are here, they know each and everything and they are already taking how to improve the investigation, how to get better conviction. But where I have focused, basically I need the cooperation from society and my police and all other stakeholders to join in the awareness program. Because as I have told you, more than 95% accused are known to the victim. So here the things, the accused are known to victims, they are among the family, they are employer, they are friend, they are some other close neighbors. So how we can protect them? For that purpose there is a need of awareness. Or for awareness everybody has to join. This way we can minimize, that is number one. Second thing, we should strong investigation. We should have a strong surveillance with our police, and our police must be watchful. They should not leave on only the stakeholders, and wherever the suspicious characters are there or minor reporting is there, even if it is a non-cognizable case, they should inquire the matter, and they should be proactive in registering the cases, whether it is a molestation or whether it is some minor offences. If it is pertaining to the women class or the minor daughters, children, it has to be registered and it should be disposed on its merit at the earliest.